So we got a transformer here with a plug-in adapter, two motors, some kind of conductor pad, the laser itself, my favorite, the antenna. I don't know why. Maybe because it's probably the most useful out of all of them. I have exactly spot for it too. Got a coworker who is using a pair of scissors as an antenna. I'll just see if I can work on his radio. Make a donation. A bunch of other screws and wires and stuff. That's all I got on that. So I'm going to start working on this here. See if I can somehow get all these fuses off of it without doing much damage. These gears too.